Hey.
Hi,
Hey.
I'm Sue.
I'm Dick, and we're heading up into a nice, mature forest today.
Yep, up the rattlesnake, and what do you think we might see?
Probably not much, but we'll certainly hear a lot.
Right, because of all the heavy forest.
Heavy forest. It's really fun to bird watch in forests where you hear a lot.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow, do you hear it?
Yeah, I hear it. What is it?
I think it's a brown
Creeper. I hope we can see it.
Let's look for it.
Look for it. Look at that tiny little bird with a sharply decurved beak. And another relatively old growth dependent species, brown creeper.
One of the neatest birds.
One of the neatest birds.
They creep, like their
and
name.
We detected it because it has a super high-pitched call or song. Here's a sonogram of the brown creeper from the Cornell Lab of Ornithology. Notice that, first off, it's really high frequency, 8,000 hertz. Psst, 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 psst. So it's way up there. If you want me to play the real thing here, let's just go ahead and give it a listen. That's their version. So it's up there. A lot of us, my age, can't hear that anymore. Luckily, I still barely can when it's only 10 feet away from me.
Luckily, you have a younger wife who can hear it. When I think of brown creeper, I'm always surprised at how well they blend into the bark.
Oh, I know. You wonder what's that coloration about, and all you have to do is look at one photo and it becomes obvious. Natural selection has favored the evolution of cryptic coloration. They blend in so they can't be seen, less likely to be picked off by something like a sharp-shinned hawk.
And the only reason I see them is because they're moving, and they often move up the tree and then fly back down to the bottom and move back up the tree.
Yeah, they kind of spiral up a tree versus a nuthatch, which tends to go head first down the trunk of a tree. You know, this is a great illustration of the value of old, large trees. That bark begins peeling and the tree splitting, and this perfect nest site for a bird like the brown creeper, which builds little hammock nests in behind a piece of peeling bark. Well, that's another good day of not bird watching, but bird listening.
Yeah, that was awesome. Well,
where are we going tomorrow?
Oh, I don't know.
What do you want to see?
Let's go somewhere.
To see what?
Oh, yellow wart.